How to start a meditation blog. Why start a meditation blog in the first place? Is it really worth your while? Is there scope to start a meditation blog, or is it too late? Most importantly, how does it work and how can you earn money from a blog that has to do with meditation as the primary niche? I'm so happy to share this video with you, and I hope that you will enjoy it, and I hope that it will help you to give you all the answers that you need if you are thinking of starting your online business that has to do with meditation. My name is Rupesh, and I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to this channel. A very warm welcome to you to Passive Income for All. The ultimate goal of this channel is actually to help you to not only make money online, but to show you or point you in the right direction towards building a business that will one day have passive income potential. At the end of the day, you want to put your time and your effort into building something that will give you a sustainable income and will work hard for you. And that's why I think that this video about helping you to build a meditation blog is very in line with that goal, because at the end of the day, you're going to be learning to build a blog that can offer you that passive income. So let's get started. The first thing I want to start with is, why do you want to start a meditation blog in the first place? Okay, so why start a meditation blog in the first place? I know the ultimate goal is to make money online, right? But, there could be another reason why you want to start a blog. And I'm going to share with you some of these reasons, and it might resonate with you or it might not. The first thing is that you might have a lot of knowledge about meditation and everything that's associated with it, and you feel that having a blog will be a great way for you to put everything down onto paper. It could also be a hobby or passion that you want to pursue, and doing a blog will be a great way for you to learn more about this particular niche. And the other thing is, you might have had some experience in your life, some life-changing experiences that has brought you to the point where meditation is one of the things that uplifted you or saved you at the time or made you a better person, and you want to share it with the world. And that also brings me to the other reason, which is you want to make a difference in somebody else's life. And of course, the final reason is to make money online, which you can do, as well as all of the other reasons that I just mentioned. So now, speaking of making money online, is it really worth it to pursue a business using the meditation as your niche for your online website? Let's take a look. All right, so I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I think starting a meditation blog actually makes a lot of sense. The first reason is stress. Now, we all know that stress is a big killer, and we know that we all have a certain amount of stress, but if it becomes out of hand and it comes to the point where there's so much of challenges and hardships, it can cause a significant amount of illness, but more than that, if not handled properly, can even cause our deaths. So, having said that, we all have our own ways of combating stress. Some of us might take a walk in the park, or take time out from work, or maybe even take the pet for a walk. But if you were to Google how to manage stress and the top 10 ways of managing stress, you will find some of the authority sites mentioning that meditation one of the top 10 ways of helping with stress. So definitely starting a meditation blog can help the folks out there. Okay, the second reason is that meditation is proven to work using scientific methods. They have used methods such as the MRI and the EEG to show that there is a correlation between brain physiology and neural activity when someone is performing an act of meditation. In fact, even if you were to look at wikipedia.org, one journal showed that out of 47 studies that qualify as well-designed and therefore reliable, based on these studies, they concluded that there is a moderate evidence that meditation programs can help to reduce anxiety, depression, and pain. So then the bottom line is that with your meditation blog, you're going to be reaching out to somebody and helping them to uncover something that is natural and it's already eating them. So how cool is that? And then the third reason, of course, is that meditation is not going away anywhere anytime soon. They say it dated back to 5000 BC. The Western culture only caught on with meditation around 200 years ago, and now we have close to 500 million people that are practicing meditation. So it's definitely here to stay. The fourth reason is that meditation niche is booming. In United States, in a few years' time, it will probably reach the $2 billion mark. And then the final reason, where there's competition, there is loads of opportunities. You might have noticed by now that there's a lot of meditation blogs out there. And you might even ask yourself now, is it really worthwhile for me to target this niche? I mean, is it too late for me to enter into a meditation blog? Some people are already ahead of me, and I think it's already saturated. And if all these thoughts are going through your head, it's natural for it to go through your mind. But let me tell you this one thing. Any niche you can make money from, well, most of the niches. And I also believe that there is enough for all of us to go around with. Look, at the end of the day, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be bringing your energy to the table with your online business. So it's going to be your vibration, it's going to be your experiences, your stories that you're going to be sharing. And people will gravitate to different people all the time. So you're going to be attracting your very own tribe, your own following. And I want to leave you with this quote about competition. So the quote goes as follows: don't knock your competitors. By boosting others, you will boost yourself. A little competition is a good thing, and severe competition is a blessing. Thank God for competition. Jacob Kindleberger, Mull owner. Okay, so now we've come to the part on how exactly does a meditation blog work. Right, since it's a blog, it's going to be a website. That means at some point you need to get a domain name, you need to worry about hosting in it. But at this point in time, I'm going to tell you right now, don't worry about any of it for now. Just stick till the end of the video and I'm going to show you exactly where you can get everything under one roof. So now, I want you to imagine that you already have your blog right there in front of you. Have you got it in your mind? Great. So your next step would be to blog. To blog means to build your website with content. So you need to start writing content. And at this point in time, you might ask yourself, why do I need to write content? And the second question is, how do you go about writing that sort of content? So the first question, how do you write, or why do you need to write content, is trust. And when I say trust, is that at the end of the day, your website's going to be on Google and other search engines. And these search engines are not going to just rank your article on page 1 immediately. If that was the case, then I think a lot of folks would be making money easily online, don't you think? So you see, what you need to do is you need to write content on a regular basis. You need to provide quality content on a consistent basis. And once you start doing this, the search engines will start trusting your website. And eventually it will come to a point where your site will start getting traction and you eventually get good rankings on some of your articles, or all of your articles for that matter. Now, how do you go about finding content for your website? Now, how do you write content for your website? Now, at this point in time, you might be saying, but I'm not a writer. I don't know how to write content, or how much content can I write about meditation? And these are all valid concerns. But I say to you, just take it one step at a time. Look, if naturally you are a writer, then that is a great start. But if you are starting off and you don't know how to write content, like when I started off 4 years ago, then it's also totally cool. The important thing to remember is the more you keep writing the content, the better you become. As for how do you go about finding the content, well, you see, look, if you are knowledgeable about meditation, then you already have a lot of information in your head and you can put it down onto your website. But if you're not, that's also totally cool, because there are a lot of competitors out there and you can see what they are writing and you just follow suit from there on. And as for writing content, you gotta say that it's equivalent as driving a car. Initially, you're not good at it. Initially, you have to get used to it. But once you get used to it, you don't have to see the gear pedals or how you're changing the gears, right? It's the same thing with writing the content for your website. But now there's something else I want to tell you. When you are writing content for your website, you can't just pick any topic and write it and carry on with your website. You got to do proper keyword research. Now, keyword research is important. Why? Because first of all, with a proper keyword for your specific article, you will know, number one, what topics people are asking for and what help they need for a specific topic, and you can deliver that content. But more importantly, you will also know what content to write that does not have much competition. So just like building a website or finding a domain name or looking for hosting and of course keyword research tool, I ask you at this point in time, please not to worry about anything. I know it might seem overwhelming, but I promise you, just stick till the end of this video and you will see that you can get everything at one place. So up till this point, you have learned why you need to start a meditation blog. You also learned why starting a meditation blog actually makes sense, and you've also learned how a meditation blog works. And now for the final part, how do you make money from a meditation blog? How do you make money now from your meditation blog? Let's picture that blog again in your mind, and let's picture now lots of traffic coming in. You're writing lots of content and now you're getting your visitors. How do you make money? This is where I talk to you about meditation affiliate programs. An affiliate program is simply another website that sells all the products related to your niche that offer you a commission for directing traffic to that particular website. So think of it as your partner in business. They give you a share for bringing a buyer to them. So they're the seller and you're going to bring a buyer to an affiliate program. Affiliate programs, they vary in the amount of commission that they give to you, and they are most of the time free to sign up to. But you see, I've learned this thing here with affiliate programs. You need to actually have a site that's already gaining traction for affiliate programs to accept your website. So you just got to check up on that. I will make another video on meditation affiliate programs, but let me show you the kind of stuff that you can actually sell on your website, right? And direct people to these affiliate programs. Take a look at this. Okay, with the meditation affiliate programs, these are some of the things you can promote on your website and earn your commissions and build your business. Meditation courses, meditation books, light and sound meditation devices, guided meditations, and accessories such as mats, sweatshirts, comforters, pillows, best candles for meditation, and even the essential oils for meditation. All right, so that is just what you can earn from an affiliate programs. Now there are various other ways you can earn. Once your website is built to that point, you can divert into other directions. For example, you can start building a YouTube channel which is also based on your website. You can start earning from ad revenue on your website. You can do email marketing, and you can even start your very own meditation courses. So as you can see, there are so many other ways that you can earn from a single blog. And you can use the same principle for any other niche, not just meditation. The key is to start somewhere. How do you go about finding affiliate programs? Well, just like building a website, finding a domain name, doing your keyword research, and now affiliate programs, I'm going to show you where you can get everything in a second. Let's just summarize everything what you have learned for today. So what you have learned is, number one, you have learned to choose an interest, which is already meditation. So that part is already done. Then I've talked about building the website and what it entails or what do you need for your website. And then I've even told you how you're going to go about attracting visitors, which is by writing content. And finally, you've also learned the various ways in which you can earn money from your website. And now that 4-step process that I just taught you is actually based on the affiliate marketing business model. So you see, with the affiliate marketing business model, as you have seen, you don't need a product of your own. you're going to be promoting products from affiliate programs. You don't need any experience to get started. You don't need to be a good writer. You don't need to recruit anybody. And most importantly, you can do it from the comfort of your home. So if you have any job commitments or anything else, you can work on it whenever you have the free time to work on your website. And that's the affiliate marketing business model that I've just taught you. And that's what you can use to start your very own meditation blog. And now I want to share with you the training platform that has all of these essentials. They have the training to take you from a newbie right up to having a fully fledged affiliate marketing online business. They will show you how to buy your domain name. They will show you how to build your website. They will teach you the principles of getting traffic to your website, as well as other methods that I mentioned, and even some of them that I did not mention. But most importantly, they have the support from the very second that you sign on, and I'll be there to help you from day one to get started with your meditation blog. In fact, just click on the link below this video to check out the training platform that has helped me as well as 2 million other members. They've been in the industry for 15 years, so I'm not just recommending to you anything that's fly by night. When you sign up, you will have a free starter membership. You can take the course without even putting down your credit card and see how the first module is. And from there, it is my hope that you have learned a lot from there and you want to take it further, and I'll be happy to help you to take it further. Thanks so much for watching, and I really appreciate your time. Please go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Take care and goodbye.